Empty on my mind, feeling full of earth. Put a hoopty off the curb. Murder is the word. Hoopty off the curb. Murder is the word. Say empty on my motherfucking mind. Fill it with earth. Put a hoopty off the curb. Murder the word. Can't take no more. Can't let the shit go. You started this shit, so whatever you get a bit. You ask for, nigga, cause you know I lay it down. No, I don't be bullshit. Come through, face touch your ass with that 4 pounds. Say nothing in the outfit. I do surgery real quick on a pussy ass nigga. Come through that motherfucker, keep my name on the trigger, squeeze, nigga, till you drop to your knees, nigga. Squeeze, nigga, till you drop to your knees, nigga. Clear my mind, fill it with herb, put up hoopty off the curb. Murder is the word. Clear my mind, fill it with herb, put a hoopty off the curb. Murder is the word. Ain't no ride by nigga and shit. When I see you, I'm getting a little bit. I'ma empty out the whole stick, bitch. I want you to see me. Let that bitch spit and go surgical on you, nigga. I told you, bitch, nigga, I leave bloody rivers run. Let them run, bitch. It ain't no fun when the fucking wabbit got the gun. I don't fuck with you, nigga, no way. Don't give a fuck, nigga, about shooting your face off your motherfucking body, bitch. 12 for cheese and crackers, then it's some personal shit. Yeah, personal motherfucking shit. Nigga, I'm feeling like wicked. Up in it, motherfucking bitch. Take that motherfucking Draco, let that bitch kick. Number static to your whole ass niggas. Pussy nigga, Dr. House, straight killer. Told you whole ass niggas, stay out my frame. Cause ain't no telling nigga what I want my brain. I'm mentally declared insane. Institutionalized nigga, bang. Old school and it's been gang. Nigga, flame off on you niggas. Clear my mind, fill it with herb, put a hoopty off the curb. Murder is the word.